A guided tour around the VU campus opened a very special VU Executive Academy event in May, the 10 and 15-year alumni reunion. The new campus, which has buildings designed by globally acclaimed architects, opened in 2013. Some of the alumni were on campus for the very first time.
I have the same feeling as 10 years ago, and I think we developed a lot, but also we stayed in the same mood of networking and learning together.
And now, after 10 years, we have a great opportunity of meeting other people that we didn't meet during our years of graduation, like in this case.
In a special workshop with Lorenz Huber, the alumni had the opportunity to experience how the world of music connects with business.
We combined people in several sections regarding their countries, their industries, and their positions in the companies.
Through a lively speed dating format, many of the executives used this unique opportunity to create new business relationships. Thanks to the commitment of the former class president, Paul Stuschetz, many of his classmates attended. In the end, his class had the most alumni attending the reunion, and they all won free online access to an agile leadership course as a surprise gift. At the evening's VU Executive Academy Lounge, the internationally acclaimed neuro-leadership expert Andy Harbaugh shared his insights. The managers and executives in the room learned about the surprising truth of how the brain learns and how business can destroy this.
There's a bunch of things that we do wrong in business, and these are things like, let's say, intuitive. So, for example, one thing might be, if we want people to perform, we just have to push them harder. Or it could be, we have to make them afraid, because if they're afraid, they're going to be really focused. So we do things which kind of intuitively sound quite good. If you look at the science and the brain mechanisms, they're totally the wrong thing to do.
Music, psychology, business, it was a day of diverse inputs. From professional networking to reconnecting with classmates, the reunion at the VU Executive Academy was filled with exciting experiences.
To be back at this new campus is very nice because, first of all, it's a beautiful setup, and to see our new friends here and the guys who are just coming on and taking this program for new, and us who signed up 10 years ago. It's a great feeling, and also to see your old friends. It's all about the networking.